Photography does not start with creativity. Instead, it starts by identifying where the problem is and solving those problems in 3 areas. Whether you use a mobile phone camera or a DSLR, it doesn't matter. If the images don't look creative, change how you put things into a perspective. If your image looks way too bright or way too dark, take control of light. If your images look dull, you just need to enhance the picture. The more you get to know what not to do in these 3 areas, the byproduct will be creativity. And the best part is, you don't need to know anything technical for doing all these 3 things. Do not immerse yourself into technicalities before you have a very creative mindset. If you're getting started in photography, even if you're a non-creative person, or even if you use a mobile phone camera, in the next 5 days, I will make sure that you get amazing pictures following a blueprint for creativity by controlling all these 3 things. Click the button below and I will catch you live. See you. Bye-bye.